Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 162. Let's see what the question states. Nitration of aniline in strong acidic medium also gives meta-nitroaniline because, and the given option says, first, in acidic strong medium, aniline is present as anilinium ion. Second, in absence of substitutes, nitro group always goes to the meta position. Third, in electrophilic substitution reactions, amino group is meta-directive. Fourth, in spite of substitutes, nitro group always goes to meta position. Let's see the answer. So aniline is benzene attached to NH2 group, and on further reaction with it in presence of H plus ion, what happens is it attached to the nitrogen and it ends up creating the anilinium ion. And we know by the fact that NH3 is meta-directing. Hence, besides para 51% and ortho, which is 2%, meta product is also formed in significant yield, and that is 47%.